Alright guys, so I don't know if you guys knew, well maybe some of you guys who've been checking out all my videos, you guys knew that my dad had a 2015 2500 Ram Cummins, and we tuned it and we put a 5-inch straight pipe all the way from the turbo back, but the mufflers didn't come with the exhaust tip. So my dad has been running without an exhaust tip for a while. So for a little appreciation for him helping me, work on my truck, I was giving me a hand, to push shit on my truck, because it is a pain in the ass when you're working on your truck by yourself. That's why shops charge a lot, when you do like drop kits and stuff like that. So a little appreciation, I got him a little surprise. So let me show you guys real quick. I already opened it, so check it out, make sure it's good. So I got him an exhaust tip. Check it out, guys. So it's a 5-inch to a 7-inch outlet. So let me go get my dad so you can see it. I'm gonna have my mom record it, so you guys can get the reaction. So yeah, let me go do that real quick. It's gonna look like that. Alright guys, so I already showed it to my dad. He said he loves it. He ain't the type of person to say a lot, but he's told me he loves it. So tomorrow we're gonna take it to my friend's shop and we're gonna get it welded. It did come with clamps, but should I put them over there? But we don't want to clamp it because someone could just go ahead and like unscrew it and steal it. So we'd rather get it welded. So tomorrow we're gonna take it to my friend's muffler shop so it could get welded. It is stainless steel, and well, we could weld it here at home, but we don't have the machine to weld stainless steel, so we're not gonna be able to weld it here. So I'd rather take it to my friend's shop since he has everything there. So yeah guys, so like I said, it's a 5-inch inlet to a 7-inch outlet. It is 15 inches long, so it's gonna sound real good. Well, it's not gonna sound real good. A lot of people say that exhaust tapes make a difference in the sound, but in my opinion, it really doesn't. But it is gonna look real good. And well, I mean, my dad's truck sounds nice how it is, so we'll be doing that, and then I'll have him do some passes, so I could record some passes and have him rev it a little bit so you guys could hear it, and maybe well, yeah, we'll do something to try to make this video kind of fun, you know what I mean? So yeah guys, so I'm glad he liked it because I think his truck really needed this, especially since it's a big truck. I was gonna order him an 8-inch tip, but I was looking on YouTube of trucks with this 8-inch tips, and they look way too big, and in my opinion, it didn't look that good. They didn't look that good, they were just way too big. So I think this one was perfect, and I ordered it, and just like I thought, it looked real good on the truck. I was gonna order a black one, but you can't really see it, you can't really tell, and I think chrome really stands out. So yeah, so I'm gonna hit up my friend, let him know that tomorrow I'm gonna hit up his shop, and we're gonna get that welded. So y'all stay tuned.
Oh yes, of course.
guys a little rev so you guys could hear how it sounds. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it with this video. Just a little video of my dad getting his tips welded to his exhaust. Like I said, it's a 5-inch straight pipe from the turbo back, and it is tuned. I can't remember the tune name, but he ended up getting that, and we ended up installing everything here at home. We did all the deletes and shit, so the truck runs pretty good. And well, yeah, and let me know if you guys want to see more stuff on my dad's truck. He plans on lifting it and putting some American Force. I don't know if he told me he wanted 24x12 or 24x14s. So let me know if you guys want to see that, so I could make sure I get videos about his truck. And well, yeah guys, so big shout out to my friend Tacho for always hooking it up with the exhaust. When it comes to exhaust for my cars, he's the one that I always go to, and for my exhaust in my cars and my truck. And well, yeah, so I'll put his Instagram down here just in case you guys are from the valley here in Texas. You guys go hit him up and get your exhaust done by him. And yeah guys, that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys like the video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.
For me to say you love. It's not for me to say you love. Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. It's for me to say